A lot of factory cases. Snack and drink vending machine with 10.1 touch screen and deeper slots. Large glass window display. Customers will see all the products clearly. The slots can be customized, spirals, belts, pushes are possible. They will be compatible with a very wide range of products. Deepen box. Each slot can hold one more bottle of beverage than the normal box, and the capacity is larger. Equipped with a 10.1 touch screen. Payment can be customized. Push-in pickup door. The machine is suitable for placing in airports, shopping malls, scenic spots, office buildings, communities, and other places.